Malaysia, a vibrant nation in Southeast Asia, boasts a dynamic and resilient economy. Its strategic location and rich cultural heritage make it a unique player on the global stage. Over the decades, it has transformed itself from an agriculture-based economy to a diversified one, embracing various sectors such as manufacturing, services, and technology. Malaysia is a significant player in global trade, with its ports bustling with activity and its products reaching markets worldwide. It is home to bustling cities like Kuala Lumpur, with its iconic Petronas Twin Towers and lush rainforests that are a testament to its natural beauty. The country has a rich cultural heritage, reflected in its traditional dances and festivals, and a bright future, illuminated by its modern cityscapes. Malaysia has experienced impressive economic growth over the years, with its GDP rising steadily and its infrastructure expanding rapidly. This growth is driven by key industries such as oil and gas, palm oil, and electronics, which are the backbone of its economy. These industries provide jobs and opportunities for millions of Malaysians, contributing to the nation's prosperity. They also contribute significantly to the nation's wealth, with the stock exchange and luxury malls reflecting the economic vibrancy. Understanding these key industries is crucial for grasping the full picture of Malaysia's economic landscape and its potential for future growth. It allows us to appreciate Malaysia's economic journey, from its humble beginnings to its current status as a thriving economy. It also helps us to glimpse the exciting possibilities that lie ahead as young professionals and innovators continue to shape the future of this dynamic nation. Palm oil is a ubiquitous commodity. It is found in countless products worldwide. Malaysia is a leading producer of palm oil. This industry has played a pivotal role in the nation's economic development. Palm oil plantations are spread across Malaysia. They provide livelihoods for millions. The industry has lifted many out of poverty. It has contributed significantly to Malaysia's foreign exchange earnings. However, the palm oil industry faces scrutiny. Concerns about deforestation and its environmental impact have sparked debate. Balancing economic growth with environmental sustainability is a pressing challenge. Malaysia is taking steps to address these concerns. Malaysia is a major player in the global electronics industry, contributing significantly to the global supply chain. It is a hub for electronics manufacturing and assembly, producing a wide range of high-tech products that are used worldwide. Global tech giants have a significant presence in Malaysia, establishing regional headquarters and major operational centers. They leverage the nation's skilled workforce and robust infrastructure, which includes state-of-the-art facilities and advanced logistics networks. The electronics industry has been a key driver of Malaysia's economic growth, contributing billions to the national GDP. It has created numerous high-value jobs, providing employment opportunities for thousands of skilled workers. It has attracted foreign investment, with multinational companies investing heavily in the country's electronics sector. Malaysia continues to move up the value chain in electronics manufacturing, focusing on producing more complex and higher-value products. The industry is constantly evolving, adopting the latest technologies and manufacturing techniques to stay ahead. Malaysia is embracing innovation in electronics, with numerous innovation labs and research facilities driving technological advancements. It is focusing on research and development, investing in new technologies and processes to maintain its competitive edge. This ensures that Malaysia remains competitive in the global tech landscape, continually attracting new business and investment opportunities. Malaysia is a land of diverse landscapes. From pristine beaches to ancient rainforests, it has it all. This natural beauty, coupled with its rich cultural heritage, makes Malaysia a tourist magnet. Tourism is a significant contributor to Malaysia's economy. It generates revenue and creates jobs. The industry encompasses a wide range of services. These include hospitality, transportation, and entertainment. Malaysia is committed to promoting sustainable tourism. It aims to preserve its natural and cultural treasures for generations to come. The government actively invests in infrastructure and marketing to boost tourism. Section 5. Oil and gas. A fossil fuel legacy. Navigating a green future. Malaysia is an oil and gas producer. It possesses significant reserves of these fossil fuels. The oil and gas sector has played a crucial role in Malaysia's economic development. The industry provides revenue for the government. It also creates jobs and drives industrial growth. However, Malaysia recognizes the need to transition to cleaner energy sources. The government is investing in renewable energy. It aims to reduce its dependence on fossil fuels. Malaysia is committed to balancing energy security with environmental sustainability. Section 6. Finance. The heartbeat of Malaysia's economic dynamism. Malaysia boasts a well-developed financial sector. It serves as a hub for financial services in Southeast Asia. Kuala Lumpur, the capital city, is home to a thriving financial district. The financial sector plays a critical role in facilitating economic activity. It provides a wide range of services. These include banking, insurance, and investment management. Malaysia's financial sector is well regulated and stable. It attracts foreign investment and supports economic growth. The government is committed to strengthening the financial sector further. Section 7. Challenges and opportunities in Malaysia's key industries. Malaysia's key industries face challenges and opportunities. The global economic landscape is constantly evolving. Competition is intensifying. Malaysia must adapt to stay ahead. One challenge is the need to move up the value chain. Malaysia aims to transition from being a producer of raw materials to a manufacturer of high-value products. Another challenge is the need to embrace digitalization. The digital economy is growing rapidly. Malaysia is investing in digital infrastructure and skills development. Section 8. The future of Malaysia's economic landscape. The future of Malaysia's economy is promising. The nation has a strong foundation for growth. It has a diversified economy, a skilled workforce, and a strategic location. Malaysia is embracing innovation and technology. It is investing in research and development. The government is creating a conducive environment for businesses to thrive. Malaysia is committed to sustainable development. It recognizes the importance of protecting the environment. The government is implementing policies to promote green growth. Section 9. Embracing innovation and sustainability for continued growth. Innovation and sustainability are crucial for Malaysia's continued economic growth. The nation is embracing new technologies to enhance productivity and competitiveness. Malaysia is promoting sustainable practices in key industries. It aims to reduce its environmental footprint and conserve its natural resources. The government is providing incentives for businesses to adopt green technologies. Malaysia is well positioned to become a leader in sustainable development. Section 10. Conclusion. Malaysia's economic journey towards a vibrant future. Malaysia's economic journey is a testament to its resilience and adaptability. Over the decades, the nation has faced numerous challenges, but has always emerged stronger. From its humble beginnings as an agriculture-based economy, Malaysia has transformed into a diversified and dynamic economic powerhouse. The shift from agriculture to industrialization marked a significant turning point in the nation's history. The key industries discussed in this essay have played a pivotal role in Malaysia's economic success. Manufacturing, technology, and healthcare have not only driven economic growth, but also improved the quality of life for many Malaysians. They have created jobs, generated revenue, and propelled the nation's development. These industries have provided opportunities for innovation and entrepreneurship, fostering a culture of continuous improvement and excellence. As Malaysia navigates the complexities of the global economy, it remains committed to innovation, sustainability, and inclusivity. The nation's focus on renewable energy and sustainable practices highlights its dedication to a greener future. With its unwavering determination and forward-looking vision, Malaysia is poised to embrace a future filled with continued growth and prosperity. The nation's strategic plans and policies aim to ensure that all Malaysians benefit from economic progress, creating a more equitable and prosperous society for generations to come.